Hello guys, welcome to gourabsartcraftworld. I'm Gaurav and today we're going to make this beautiful Ardhanarishvara clay mural painting. For the materials details, please check the description box below. Friends, if you have any queries then you can directly ask me on Instagram. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. At first taking a MDA board where as you can see that I have already made the outlines of the painting. Now apply some glue on the board and cover the area with clay. You just have to simply press it by your fingers in this way. Now by using water or talcum powder, make it smooth. Now follow the same process for the hands, but make sure that the thickness of the clay layer should be more. Now make it smooth by using water or talcum powder. In this way, by using some clay modeling tools, you have to add some detailings. Friends, please like, share and subscribe to my channel if you like my videos. Now follow the same process for the other side. If you don't like to press it by your fingers in this way, so what you can do is, you can directly make it flatten by using a roller or chakla belan, then place it wherever you want. For the face part, by following the same process, we have to cover the area with clay. Now make it smooth by using water or talcum powder. Now by using your fingers, prepare the areas for the eyes, nose and lips. Now before completing the face part, we will do the hair. Now after smoothing it, you have to create some curvy lines in this way. For the ornaments, which is mostly the Rudraksh chains, we have to create some small clay balls and stick them one after another on the required places. Now by using a dotting pen, create some small dots to make it realistic. Now we will complete the face part. First we will make the eyes in the following manner. Using an empty pen to make the eyeballs. For the nose, at first take a drop shape and then add 2 small clay balls and smoothen it by using water. By using a ball tool, make the nostrils. Now after completing this, we will start making the trident. Now flatten it by using your fingers in this way. Now complete rest of the ornaments. After completing this, let it dry. So guys, our clay work has completed and this is how it looks. In the next video, I'll show the color of this painting. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.